Yo guys, what up? Chase here, back with another banger. We're going on a hike. Yeah. Hey, Papa. Papa, can I go back there?
No, I don't want you to climb up back in there with my phone.
There'll be plenty of wide open places up here.
Can I go up this tiny hill?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not. Yeah. Not much to do.
I didn't zap her once last night.
Lucy!
I haven't zapped her today.
Lucy! Say hi to the vlog! Yeah. Lucy, say hi.
Just think, we were back in Minnesota now.
We're gonna go on a long hike, I think. And all of you guys watching the college playoffs, well, you can't comment, but if you have Papa's phone number, call and tell me how it's going. Please, I want to know. And for all of you that aren't in my family, well, you're on a journey with us. And there's a lot. What?
Come on, Lucy.
She's in there. Yeah. So, what, Papa? This literally looks like a turd from far away. And I might not be talking a lot because I'm having fun. I hope you guys are having fun. Ooh, Papa! Can I go back there a little ways?
Yeah. There's a trail thing to go in. Oh, now she figured that was it.
Son. Come on, Lucy! Come on, Lucy! I know. Ooh, this is fun. For all of you who live in Boise, it's like Freak Alley, but not as cool. But, yeah. Like, subscribe. I want to get as much subscribers as I can, guys, because I want to go live, so. Yeah. Whoa. Try to get this video 100 likes. 100 likes and I'll do a dare. 100 likes and I'll do any dare. So, like it up and subscribe. I need subscribers. Yeah. Hikes are fun. Nature's fun. Yeah. I'll keep you guys tuned in a little bit. It's not much to do, so peace.